Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is business card design. So let's start and make a business card. I'll show you how to make a business card is in technically so watch my video and please do like, share and subscribe. So let's start. First of all, I'll fix my thumbnail. Sorry, here. Now, okay. Okay, this is good. So now I'll change it with which color will be the perfect here. Okay, this color will be the perfect, I think. So make it copy, and now, sorry, now I have to change this color. Please, sorry, I think I made a mistake here. So yeah, this is great. So uh, here I'll change this color, which will be the red, and this will also be the rate. So I think it's a stock. So I will change the stock, which will be the rate. I think this is good. This is good to see. I change everything here. So let's save it down, and I want to export it as every day I show you how to make a thumbnail, a creative thumbnail. So let's see and try it out at your home. Okay, replace it. Now I'll go to a new video which will be the business card design. For the business card design you have to take 3.5 into 2 inch. So I'll select this, then create a artboard. Yeah, got my artboard. So I want to change this color. I want to change this color, which here you can see a stroke. So I will decrease the stroke, and I will change this color, which will be the purple, which will be the purple color. I take a purple color, so let's see how it look like. So if I want to go to the gradient tool, I'll take linear scale. So let's see. So I'll make it 90 degree. Sorry, 90 degree, not 90 degree. I'll make it 60 degree. Mm, 60 degree, no. I'll make it 30 degree, no. I'll make it 180 degree. So let's see. Um, I will change this color. Which will be the, yeah? I think it's look pretty good. It's look pretty good. So make it down. I think it's good. It's good. So I want to fix it here. So lock it up. Yeah, you can see. I make a lock here. So what you have to want, or you want this for your business card. So uh, I want a, here you can see. Sorry, sorry. I think here is some problem. Sorry, I'll lock. So I'll decrease its. Okay, okay. I will make it small. Now I can easily do my work. So how it look like? I will show you just technique how to make a business card. Nothing else. I won't show you nothing. Just the technique of business card. How to make you a business card. The the background. I'll show you the background. So let's see how to. I make a shade here over here. I make a shade over here. How it look like? Then you can make here something new. You can wrote here your logo. You can fix here your logo. Then you can write here your name, your your ID, then your address, mobile number, then anything else. But I showed you the main thing, which is the background. So this is the business card background. I'll show you more things about business card on the next class. So till then, all of us.